Hi, I'm Crypto Lou and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a beginner's guide of how to create a Monero paper wallet. I've actually already created some tutorials for creating wallets for the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum and other altcoins. However, the Monero process is slightly different, so what I thought I'd do is take you through that process today. And I hope that you enjoy this video today. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, as it really helps me to grow my channel and understand what kind of content you enjoy. So if you're currently storing your Monero on online wallets, one of the best ways to actually move across to is using the likes of cold storage. So using something like a hardware wallet, such as a Ledger Nano S or a Trezor, or using an offline paper wallet, especially if you're dealing with kind of large volumes of these coins and it's safer and kept away from hackers. You need to go to moneroaddress.org. So on here you have an offline wallet generator, and what you can do is you can select from Monero or Aeon in terms of the type of paper wallets that you can create from here. First of all, what you need to do is ensure that you are going through and getting the most up-to-date versions of the page. So what you're going to do is click onto here. Then if we click onto Monero Wallet Generator, and what we need to do here is we need to download this file. So we're going to download the zip file. Once you've downloaded that file and opened up that zip file, what you then be presented with is three different lines. The one that you actually need to open up is monero-wallet-generator.html. When you go through and open this up, please ensure that you are no longer connected to the internet. So turn off your Wi-Fi, unplug any kind of internet connection, so you are taken completely offline and you are secure and away from anyone being able to view your private keys at this stage. Now, if you do have some problems with opening up that HTML file, what you can do is you can click it and drag it into your browser. Then you'll be opening up that HTML file, and what you now need to do is click on to Generate Wallet. And it asks me if I'm sure the wallet can not be recovered once a new wallet is generated, and I click on to OK. So that's now created that public address down the bottom here, as you can see. If I then click on to Generate Wallet again, click on to OK, it will then change that wallet address for me. So your public address is where you're going to be sending your Monero coins to. So that is a public address. You then have a mnemonic seed. So in here, you need to ensure that you actually have this and you keep it secure. Please don't give it to anyone else. It will help you to recreate your private keys. You then have your private keys in here as well. So you have your spend key and you have your view key. So you will need both of these for when you are going through and you are looking to spend. So please ensure that you do print this off, and when you print it off, again, you need to ensure that your Wi-Fi is turned off on your computer and it's no longer connected to the internet at all. Print this off, and then what you need to do is ensure that you obviously keep this somewhere safe, lock it away in a safe, or keep it in your wallet wherever you choose to keep. So that was a very brief overview of how to create your own Monero paper wallet. If you have any questions today, then please feel free to put them in below. And if you are interested in creating other paper wallets, I have actually created one for Ethereum and also for altcoins as well as Bitcoin. So please take a look at the series of these videos. And if you want to see more tips, reviews and tutorials, then please hit subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.